Merry Christmas, everyone. It is currently don't know what time it is, but I'm not at my house. I'm at a secret place, but it's not my house. Today I'm going to show you this book, what I got. No, I'm joking. I'll do this in another video. And this. Bro fist. So, what we're really here for. So, where's the knife at? So, it is a Sony headphones. And let's get into this. Might take a while. So I haven't got a sharp knife. Wait. There we go. Oh, yeah. Taking that. So, just got the plastic wrap off. Here we go. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Ready? 3, 2, 1. These are really nice. That's all on the sides. So it comes with the headphones, the wires, and a little pouch to keep it in. And this is the instructions, what we won't need. So we have to do this. So I got a gaming video what I'm going to do later on my big telly, what I got. Better than my old one. Drop the bass. Then I got water speakers, what you'll see in another video. Yeah. Drop the bass. Wait, my water speakers is already uploaded on my channel. So yeah. Plug them in. So these are very comfortable. So plug that into whatever, and so then if you finish with it, just fold it up and put it in the little bag what it comes with. So yeah, you get the idea. So hope you enjoyed. Like, comment and subscribe, and peace.